Hi guys, and welcome to Excel currency converter. Okay, so let's reset. No, we don't want to reset. Yes, we do want to reset. Let's enter whatever we want to convert, and let's say it's Canadian dollar. So all you just need to do is click on convert. There we go, and as you can see, it's automatically added straight onto the spreadsheet. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to exit out and take you guys to Excel development environment. So let's do that now, guys. Hi guys, welcome to Excel VBA currency converter tutorial. I'll start by clicking on developer tool, and if you don't have this very developer tool on your menu here, go to file, select options, and once this dialog pops up, select customize ribbon and come right here. Make sure you have popular controls or popular commands, and here you should be able to see your developer tool. Make sure it is checked. Okay, make sure that is checked and click on OK. There we go. Once that is sorted, the developer menu should appear right up here, and if you click on the developer menu, you should be able to see your Visual Basic, or you can also select or press Alt F11 to open up the developer area. Now that the editing area is open, let's select Insert. Select User Form. You should get a form similar to this. Let's change the width of that very form to, let's go for something to do with about 760. So come right down here. I'm just going to make that. Okay, let's say 760. And the height of that, I'm going to make the height about 560. There we go. The next thing is make sure you have your toolbox. In the toolbox, select frame. Click on the frame. Just drag it out much. Drop it right there. And get rid of the text content. Go to the caption. Get rid of that. Now, let's copy this frame. Hold on to your control. Click and drag to copy that. We have two. Maybe you click and drag again. Bring one right down here. And I think that will do. So drag this, bring it down. All right there. Something like that. Yeah, that will do. And let's copy one more. So all our frames are in place. We now want to maybe check the back color, select all of the frames. So I'm going to come right here and let's just change the back color to something much brighter, or something just to jazz it up a little bit. Or we can do this. We might as well just change the back color of the user form itself. Okay, make sure the user form is selected. Come right here, you see where we have the back color, and change that to, let's see, yeah, something active. Oh, all right, that will do. Now that is done, well, let's go for the darker one. Yeah, that's more pronounced. All right, let's go back to our toolkits. We need label. Drop your label there. Change the caption of the label to maybe about 62. 62. Make sure it's bold though, the caption. Let's go back and make sure it's bold. It's bold, 62 bold, drag. And we will change the text content now to convert. Right here. And let's change that to currency converter. So I'll drag it all the way, get it centered. Come right down, just change that to, see where we have X align, change that to center. There, that's fine. Next thing, let's add another label. And this label, I'm going to change the font to amount to convert. And change the font. Maybe we'll make that about 30, bold. Okay, drag amount to convert 30 bold. All right. Now hold on to the control, click and drag. We have 2 and we have 3. Okay, and right here we need one here, we need another one here. There. And we need text box. So here it's called AB. Just drag that and dump it right there. And we also need combo box. 2 combo box we do. 1 combo box, 2 combo box. Okay, that's fine. Now let's change the font size of this component. I'm going to make that about 30 as well. Bold. Right. And underneath here we need buttons. That is it right there. Bang one there. And another one. First of all, let's enhance this one. Maybe change that to convert. And change the size of that very button. You can make it a little bit bolder, maybe 36, and let's see how that's going to look like. Alright, 36, that's not bad. Now copy it across. We have 2 and we have 3. Very good. And the very first button there, let's change that to convert. Yeah, not currency. Let's just change it to convert or converter. Converter. And the name is going to be CMD converter. Right, that's the name of that. This is going to be known as CMD reset. And the text content is going to be reset. And this one here, exit. CMD exit. Text content will be exit. There. And this one, let's change it to display amounts or amount converted. Okay, amount converted. Okay. And here, that is going to be blank. But let's add a border to it so that you guys can see, go straight to the border. You see the border style instead of none. So let's change the style to single. Brilliant. Okay, and drag it that much. Now this one here, we're going to call that convert to, okay, amount, that is to what currency. We'll do that again, because, yeah, and this is going to be from, that's convert from, is for amount to convert, amount to convert. Right, amount to convert from to, and this is going to be known as txt convert. This is going to be known as cmd convert from. Let's say convert from. Very good. The next one is going to be cmd but 2. There we go. Okay, brilliant, guys. Now the interface is all developed the way we want. So if I run it now, this is what you guys will be looking at. Now, let's put together some lines of code. The very first one I'm going to put together is going to be that of the form load. So let's close this and double click on the form. So let's see, do we have form load? I think, okay, let's go for form initialize. Make sure the form is selected. Come right down here. Yeah, form initialize. So I'm going to start the initialization by saying me dot cmd from dot text, that will be equals, let's go for b no gbp, that's British pounds. So let's enter Britain there. Okay, so if I run this program now, you should see British pound on the very first one there. Then the next one is going to be, let's say, with me dot cmd from, so I'd like you to add as follows. Let's end with first and with. So the first one that is going to be dot add item. And what item are we adding? I'm adding British pounds, this very one. So add that. That's the very first one. So we can just copy this, make a couple more. Okay, let's see the next one. We can make that Canada. So that's Canadian dollar. Followed by NVN. That's going to be Nigerian naira. Next, MXN. That's for Mexico. That's Mexican pesos. Next, I'm going to go for EU. That's Euro. From Euro, we go to Swiss. It should be an F. And that's going to be Swiss franc. That's Swiss franc. Then I'm going to go for maybe Australia. Yeah, Australia. And let's go for China or Chinese. Yes. So that's going to be Chinese. Yeah. And next, India. And that's going to be India rupee. Then, uh, Yeah, let's add USA. So, United United States dollar. Okay, I think that would do. Yeah. So as you can see, you guys can add as many as you want. So those are the currency I'm going to be converting from. I'm going to copy that and use it for the other one. So if I run it, let me run it. You see what I'm talking about. This will display the very first one. Okay, look at it right there. Okay, just select. And here I would like the cursor to be right in there, flashing away. So let's grab hold of the name of that component. Okay, it's convert, txt convert. Back on my form initialize, right underneath here, paste that in here, dot focus. That is that sorted. Now for the second combo box, I'm going to copy all of these, just paste it right underneath there. That is known as CMD convert 2. There we go. Now if I run it, this is what you guys will see. Run. And as you can see, there. And you can also see the cursor was flashing in there. Okay, so that is fine. What else do we need to do? We need to take care of these ones. So I'm going to go back in here. Just need it to be accurate with this. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now let's take care of maybe exits. Yeah, we take care of the exit. So come right down here, double click on exit, and right there I'm going to declare the following: game I exit as VB message, VB message box result, and the VB message box results that takes in the following argument. So I'll say I exit equals message MSG box. Let's just say confirm if you want to exit. Okay, confirm if you want to exit. So let's put a comma there and just enter VB yes no for the method I'll be using, plus VB question. That is good. Comma. Then let's enter currency converter in there. So that's going to be the title. There we go. Now, use a conditional statement. If I exit equals VB yes, then unload me. And if there we go, guys. We've just taken care of exit. So let's run that and see. Run. Exit. No, I don't want to exit. Yes, I do want to exit. Okay, I want to copy that exit lines of code. Let's use it for resets. Double click on reset. Paste that right in there for reset. I'm just going to change this to reset. I reset. There we go. Just to display message as well. Okay, the same thing, get rid of that and get rid of this. So if reset is confirmed, this is what I want the system to do for me. Clear txt dot text equals clear and set focus in there. I also want you to clear me dots. Yeah, let's clear that, paste that up here. the text equals clear. All right, then finally, let's indent this one more. The label, let's look at the label. What's the name of this? Oh, it has no name. That should be, let's just call it LBL amounts converted. So select that and change that to LBL amount converted. So come in here, LBL amount converted. Dot caption, that's caption, that's equals that. So that takes care of my resets. Okay, guys, have a good look at that. Now let's run it and see. Or we can just change it. That's question as well. Okay, run. Okay, enter whatever in there, enter whatever, or select anything you want here, and just click on reset. There we go. No, I don't want to reset. Yes, I do want to reset. You see that? So guys, that is that. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of the first part of this tutorial, and I'll see you guys shortly.